Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Can we extend ringtone time on iPhone? Have you ever been frustrated because your iPhone's ringtone only rings for a few seconds before going to voicemail? Well, today we're going to figure out how to extend the ringtone time so that we can have more time to answer the call. It's a simple process, so let's jump right into it. First things first, go ahead and open your iPhone settings app. First things first, go ahead and open your iPhone settings app. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down and simply tap on phone. This is where you'll find settings related to calls and voicemails. Now, you might not expect this, but you'll want to tap on call forwarding. This is where we can adjust your ringtone time indirectly. While there's no direct option to change the ringtone duration on the iPhone, what you can do is set up call forwarding to a different number or voicemail. This indirectly increases your ringtone time by forcing the phone to ring longer because before sending the call to voicemail. Another method is by changing your voicemail settings. If you want to keep it simple, just adjust the voicemail greeting. Sometimes this can give the illusion of a longer ring time since your voicemail greeting will play for a few seconds after the ringtone finishes. Just open your phone app, tap on voicemail, then on greeting, and simply tap on custom and record. Here you can record a custom greeting to give you more time before the voicemail kicks in. And that's it. While there isn't a built in option to directly extend the ringtone time on your iPhone, these workarounds should help you get more time before your calls go to voicemail.